Hi, my name is Liu Zuhan, and I'm here to talk to you today about amazing RDS for SQL Server. RDS SQL Server also practically adds support for newer versions. The timeline for new versions supported Alien for Microsoft releases. As a managed service, we have to ensure that our customers are running on versions of SQL Server supported by Microsoft. Major version upgrades Aliens with Microsoft releases, and this introduces new functionalities within the database. This functionality can cause your existing application to stop working correctly. It can contain database changes that are not backward compatible with previous versions of the database. Hence, RDS doesn't apply major version upgrades automatically. To perform a major version upgrade, you modify your database instance. For example, upgrading from SQL Server 2016 to 2017. From RDS SQL Server perspective, we continue to add support for new major and minor database engine versions and Alien with Microsoft releases. After a new version of a database engine is released by Microsoft, it is thoroughly tested by our database engineering team before it is made available in RDS. Even though it is the customer's responsibility to evaluate which major version to choose after checking for its compatibility with corresponding supported applications. We recommend that you keep your database instance upgraded to the most current minor version, as it will contain the latest security and functionality fixes. There are a few recommended preparations that need to be done for all upgrades. First is to review RDS documentation that describes the whole upgrade process step by step in detail. Second, before upgrading the instance, read Microsoft documentation to be aware of the difference in these versions. Thoroughly perform all sorts of tests to ensure compatibility of your applications with the new update version. Specifically, when doing major version upgrade, ensure that parameter and option groups for the target version are created. If your database instance is in a multi-AZ deployment, both the primary and standby instance are upgraded. Amazing RDS does rolling upgrades. You have an outage only for the duration of a failover. After you modify a database instance to upgrade, the instance moves to upgrading status on making the modification to perform major or minor version upgrades. RDS takes two backups, one before and one after the upgrade process. You can minimize the upgrade window by taking manual backup before the upgrade begins. The status of the instance will remain in upgrading status during both backups and upgrade. It's worth noting that standby instance will be restarted after the upgrade, and not showing the restart box to simplify the diagram. The downtime here is limited to the failover time only. On a multi-AZ configuration, standby instance will be first upgraded and restarted. After upgrade is completed on standby, RDS initiates automatic failover. Next, the new standby will be upgraded and rebooted. Only one failover during upgrade, and in other words, not a feedback will be initiated to the former primary. In short, except taking a backup customer need to be ensured there's no long-running transaction open and initiates the upgrade process using RDS console, CLI, or API during the upgrade. And RDS takes two backups and executes follow Microsoft documentation. Practically, Amazon RDS perform maintenance on RDS resources. Maintenance most often involve update to the database instance, underlying hardware, and underlying operating system. Any OS or RDS software patches will be scheduled during the maintenance window. It is recommended that you periodically view RDS recommendations to check for pending upgrade in your RDS instance. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention.